Actually, I didn't want to talk about this free funded account, but I felt like some members of the community who don't have a capital to trade right now would find this helpful. Now, in this video, you'll be getting yourself a free $1,000 free funded account to trade the live market. And the number one reason why I didn't want to talk about it was because the amount which you can withdraw from this bonus is pretty small. Like, after passing the first and the second phase, the total amount you are permitted to withdraw is small. Now, let's take this moment to go through the terms and conditions, which I'll be showing on the screen right now, which is very, very important. You need to be aware of the terms and conditions you need to meet with to be able to place withdrawal. Don't forget, it's a two-phase funded account. So let's go. All right, and firstly, you can see right here that says promotion overview, which means you'll be getting a $1,000 free funded account, which is a two-step challenge account. And for the eligibility, you can see it says the promotion is available to new traders who just sign up with them. You complete your KYC, but you complete your KYC to make withdrawal, but you don't need to complete KYC to get this bonus. And any attempt to bypass and stuff like that, you get disqualified. Now you see right here, it says evaluation step. Now for the minimum daily loss, which is 10% of the account, the minimum total loss, which is 20% of the account, while the minimum of what you have to meet a minimum of 1 trading day required for the phase 1, and for the phase 2 you have to achieve a minimum daily loss of 5%, a minimum total loss of 10%. Now I did mention for the first phase, you need to pass the first phase, you need to meet a profit target of 5% of the account, and for the second phase you need to meet a profit target of 15%. Now the minimum trading days for the second phase you must meet, which is 4 days. Now you can see those terms and conditions are pretty simple. And for the main terms and conditions, you can see I just explained for the phase 1 and for the phase 2. And the third step, which is the funded step, you need you can see right here it states you are not permitted to open or close any trade within 2 minutes. Now it means your every trade you take must have a duration of at least 2 minutes before it is considered a valid trade. Now you can see overnight holding is not permitted, and weekend holding not permitted also. And another important part you need to be aware of, which is for the funded account, which is the consistency rule, which means it must meet with 30% consistency rule, and I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with that. Now another important aspect which I need everyone to be aware of, which is the withdrawal rules. Now you can see right there it states that you can only withdraw once, and the maximum withdrawal which you can make is $10. Now this is the main reason why I didn't want to drop the bonus in the first place, because $10 is way too small for the stress everyone is actually going to be going through. Now for those who are interested, can just proceed to the step which I'll be explaining on how to claim this bonus and get yours. It's available for everyone, for every new user, so you will be getting it. Now in case for the other aspect of the terms and conditions, you can just take your time, go through it, and see if there's any aspect I didn't actually make mention of. Make sure you do a proper review about the terms and conditions. So once you click on the link you find in the comment section, and if you know this is your first time of coming across this channel, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out anytime I drop important updates just like this. Now comment in the comment section which country you're watching from, and in that same comment section you will find a link that will take you to the Telegram channel, and the post you find in the Telegram channel will take you to this platform right here with the name Pipdance. Now you can see the name of the platform, the name of the platform which should be giving us the free account. It says Pipdance, and you'll be brought here, just right here, to fill in your details. All right, so without wasting time, you can see you fill in the country where you're registering from, your email address, and then you click on send code. And immediately you click on that, the code will be sent to your email address, which you just go straight to copy and come back here to paste it. And then you fill in the rest by adding your password, your mobile phone number which you'll be using to register, and then you click on this small box showing beneath right here to agree to their terms and conditions, and then you are good to go. So the next thing you just need to do is to scroll up and then click on register, and then you'll be brought into their main dashboard just like this, having details like this on the screen. Now you can see right here, you can see it says free 1K funded account for all. So just click on this right here, and then it takes you to where you'll be able to claim the free account. And showing right here, all you can see, you just click on this button to activate the account by claiming it now. And if you scroll up a little bit, you get to see more information about the account, and I'm sure I already talked about it at the beginning of the video, so everyone is aware of the things you're expected to meet right here. So you scroll back up and click on claim now, this right here, and immediately you click on it, the account will be activated. Now you can see I just need to click on it right here. So clicked on it and claim now, and you can see start your challenge now, which means the account has been activated. And what I need to do right now is to just go to my email address to get the login details for the account which I'll be trading with. And what I just need to do from here is to go straight to check my email to see if I received a message. And this right here is what the email looks like. It consists of the login details which you'll be needing. Now, another thing I noticed is that you won't be trading this on MT5, you'll be trading it on this trading platform named Forex. So what you need to do now is to take your device and go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then type in Forex, and you should be having this right here, Forex 7. And all you just need to do is to download it. I already downloaded mine, so I'll just open it. Now for the login details which was given to us, you need to copy the exact details in this order. I can see right here your username, your password, and the server. Input it into these boxes and then click on continue, and you'll be logged in immediately. Now, in case you have any issues, just reach out to me in my DM or leave a comment in the comment section. Now you can see the $1,000 in the account ready to start trading, and I'm sure everyone understood the terms and conditions you are required to meet the terms and conditions, trade with it, make profit, and make your withdrawal. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More videos will be dropping. I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Have a nice day, guys.